Why did I do Mrs. India 10 months postpartum? Please take that help and please खुद के लिए जीना start करो. I never realized I was inspiring so many new moms out there. The Mrs. India process. Hi guys, welcome back to the Tarot Tales. It's been so long since we last spoke. Finally, I'm here now and wow, Mrs. India is done and I think it was long overdue क्योंकि मुझे इतने लोगों के messages आए हैं about Mrs. India, how to participate, why did you do Mrs. India right 10 months after delivering the baby and so many things. So I think it's time I address all of that. So first thing, why did I do Mrs. India 10 months postpartum? So I think when I was 3-4 months pregnant, मुझे ये already पता था that somewhere during my pregnancy journey and after delivering the baby, I am going to lose myself. And that happens with every mother, like every mom, every new mom, you have been there. It's like you lose your identity. You lose who you are because you take care of a newborn. With the newborn, with the family and adapting all the baby things, you are becoming a mother for the first time. So it's such a different feeling where you forget yourself. And ये मुझे पता था. Like every month I would make sure I would write these letters to myself that how my pregnancy journey has been and what I don't want to do during my pregnancy and what I will make sure that even after delivering the baby, I know that I am not going to lose myself. So ये सारी चीजें मैं हमेशा वो letters में लिखती थी. There was one letter I had written to Rohan when I was 5 months pregnant की Rohan, I know after delivering the baby I am going to lose myself, I'm going to lose my identity. I know that, which is normal. उसमें कोई बुरी बात नहीं है. But I really want you to push me to work out, go to the gym. I want you to do these things because मुझे पता है once you become a mother, your body needs rest. तो वो मुझे नहीं चाहिए था. तो वो starting से मैंने बहुत prepare किया था और मैं रोहन को बार बार बोलती थी कि the time I feel lazy, मुझे लात मार के घर से बाहर निकालना और मुझे बोलना मुझे जिम जाना है. Make me work out. Don't make me forget myself. And I think that continued after Ryan and like Rohan would keep pushing me कि चल आज gym जाना है, आज workout करना है and you have to get back to shape. Because when I started sharing my journey on Instagram also and I would tell things I am doing for Ryan and how I got back into shape and all of these things, I never realized I was inspiring so many new moms out there. मुझे ये चीज realize ही नहीं हुई. But जैसे जैसे मुझे messages आते गए, I felt like wow, like the things I am doing, it's actually helping somebody and it is inspiring them to go work out, gym jao and to take care of themselves. I wanted to tell other women that your life does not end after becoming a mother. मेरे में वो आ गया था कि नहीं यार, C section हुआ है तो क्या, it's not the end of the world. C section हुआ है, I can still get up, I can still work out, I can still do many things and I just wanted to tell it out to the world that C-section is not the end of your life. I can't tell you the number of messages I get every day on my Instagram that I have lost myself and I don't understand after the baby, I'm not getting time for myself and what should I do and all of that. I'm telling you, it's the family support that you need and family support के बाद with your family support ही तुम ये सारी चीजें कर पाओगे. हमें पता है that giving our baby to somebody ऐसे लगता है कि यार कैसे हो पाएगा, कैसे करूंगी मैं, वो एक माँ का प्रोटेक्शन आ जाता है. बट गाइज डोंट फॉरगेट दैट उन्होंने भी बच्चे संभाले हैं, सो दे नो हाउ टू टेक केयर ऑफ द बेबी एंड इफ यू कैन गेट लिटिल हेल्प, प्लीज टेक दैट हेल्प एंड प्लीज खुद के लिए जीना स्टार्ट करो बिकॉज बेबी के बाद योर ड्रीम्स डोंट एंड. सो दिस वाज द रीजन व्हाई आई चोज टू डू मिसेस इंडिया. रायन जो बस 10 महीने का था उसके साथ मैंने ये कैसे कर लिया. इट हैपेंड, आई डोंट नो, आई डोंट हैव एन आंसर टू हाउ इट हैपेंड बट इट हैपेंड. मैंने 10 मंथ्स इसलिए चूज किया कि मैं ये अगले साल भी कर सकती थी, मैं इसके अगले साल भी कर सकती थी बट आई थिंक देयर इज नो राइट टाइम टू डू दीज थिंग्स. आई मीन अगले साल कोई और कमिटमेंट आ जाती, उसके अगले साल कोई और कमिटमेंट आ जाती, मे बी इट वुड हैव बीन रायन स्कूल और व्हाटएवर एंड आई वुड हैव बीन कॉट अप एंड आई थिंक इफ आई हैड द अपॉर्चुनिटी राइट नाउ didn't want to let that go, so I was like it's okay, manage हो जाएगा. He's 10 months now. क्योंकि मैं काम के वजह से थोड़ा बहुत ट्रैवल करती रहती हूँ. सो आई थिंक दिस अभी जो टाइम था, इट वॉज द बेस्ट टाइम फॉर मी टू पार्टिसिपेट, क्योंकि व्हेन द अपॉर्चुनिटी इज नॉकिंग एट इट्स डोर, यू डोंट से कि हाँ मैं अगले साल आऊंगी, इस बार नहीं पॉसिबल होगा. व्हाई? दैट्स व्हाई I didn't think about कि ओ ये बस 10 महीने का है तो मैं कैसे करूंगी. इनफैक्ट आकांक्षा हैज अ 7-month बेबी एंड उसने तो बेबी को लाया भी था वहां पे. शी वाज स्टेइंग 2 hours away from the venue. When you have women around you who are like participating with 7-month-old, 8-month-old, 10-month-old, I don't think that is the reason that should stop you from achieving your dreams. So women who want to participate, I know a lot of you all have asked me how to do this. This is your answer. Nothing in the world can stop you if you want to do it. So now I'll tell you about the Mrs. India process. So the process is like तुम form fill करते हो, all of that, and then once you fill the form, they'll ask you the reason why you want to be Mrs. India and like those things. You have to fill up the form and all. तो उसके बाद तुम्हारे auditions होंगे. Auditions can be online or offline. मैंने दोनों दिए थे because I had participated in 2 different pageants. तुम्हारा ramp walk होगा. There will be judges who will ask you different questions where they will see how prepared are you, and on basis of that तुम्हारा selection होगा. And after the selection, you'll get an email that oh you've been selected and all of this, and the pageant is going to happen on these dates for a week and all of that. वो particular week I could see that most of the pageants were happening during this June के बाद जितने भी pageants थे, like June, July, August, September. Then I think they'll ask you for a particular fee because Mrs. category के लिए you have to pay a fee. So वो fees में फिर तुम्हारी training आ गई, रहना खाना आ गया, and all the sessions, the practices, all of that. There will be some organizations जो तुम्हारा finale का gown वो fee में देंगे. All of those things, like everything comes under that fee. So after that then your training starts. और फिर training start होने के बाद one day I met my God sent gift Neha, who messaged me on Instagram, and she was like, I just saw your message that you're participating in Mrs. India and I would love to help you out. And she has already been a winner of Mrs. India Worldwide 2017. So I was like, उससे better बात क्या ही हो सकती है, that you know actually getting trained under a winner. So I would go to her place and we just got 6 sessions together, guys. 6 sessions में जो भी performance आपने देखा, you have seen it on the stage, from the walk to the grooming, the confidence. I'm telling you, I know आप कोई भी नहीं मानोगे, but I have always had stage fear. Stage पे जाके मेरा आवाज ऐसे शिवर होने लगता है लोगों को देख के. To straight up talking for 1.5 minute मैंने जो intro दिया है and the closing statement दिया है, talking on the stage, walking on the stage, I cannot believe that girl was me that day. I cannot believe it. In her gym, talking on the stage, dumbbell हाथ में लेके, I would just talk thinking I'm talking to the audience. वो एक जो confidence आया था मेरे में in those 6 sessions, it was incredible, and which is why I think my stage journey was so smooth. And for me who has stage fear, stage पे कैसे बात करना है, कुछ भी नहीं पता है कैसे होगा, but all thanks to Neha. Trust me, I cannot thank her enough, and my parents and my in-laws who took care of Ryan. So in Mrs. India category, when you participate, so finale में there will be 5 winners. 5 winners. So 5 winners में हुआ क्या, there will be 1 winner. Then there will be 1 MS category. So MS category is the divorced category. Then there is 1 classic category. So classic category is basically for women above 40 years. You need to acknowledge them for participating. तो उनको भी वो section में से भी winners निकाले जाते हैं. So it's a very good thing for women who are above 40 and who want to participate in Mrs. India, or divorced and want to participate. I think it's amazing. And then there is first runner up and second runner up. So if you see the actual category, it's the winner, the first runner up, the second runner up, then the MS category and the classic category. So ऐसे 5 winners होते हैं. So जब stage पे उन्होंने announce किया था the first runner up, I thought that I was the 4th one, but after winning I realized that oh, I was the second one. I was the first runner up. So yeah, I didn't know about this. So So through Mrs. India, I really felt like our generation is so different. Like the Gen Z moms, you don't want to give up on your career. You also want a family. You also want the baby. You want to do everything as Gen Z moms. You don't want to give up on anything. तुम्हें सब कुछ साथ में लेके चलना है. And that is exactly what I wanted to represent on that stage. That I wanted to represent a modern Indian woman who doesn't want to give up on either of the three things, but also wants to achieve her dreams, wants her baby, wants her family, and सबको साथ में लेके चलना है. So yeah, I think this feeling is so empowering, and that is exactly what I wanted to do through Mrs. India. And I feel that yeah, it's done. And I can't tell you, the response after Mrs. India has been incredible. Like thousands of messages, oh my god, thousands of messages. Wherever I go, people are coming and congratulating me and all of those things. I mean, wow, what a feeling. Somebody who has grown up as an average kid, and today people are just telling you, I'm so proud of you, I've been watching you virtually and I'm so proud of you. How do I tell you this feeling? It is amazing. It's beautiful. Congratulations to Akansha, because she truly deserved it. I feel like she has an experience and she was amazing on stage. Like, she's beautiful. So absolutely, she deserved to win. When this opportunity came to me, I think it was in March. So in March, मैंने online ऐसे ही Mrs. World International का Facebook पे ये ad type देखा था, and मैंने रोहन को ऐसे ही मजाक में बोल दिया था that रोहन, do you think I should participate in this? And मैं, मेरी मम्मी और रायन, हम सब एक event के लिए गए थे मुंबई में, Cosmopolitan event. So just sitting on the bed, he was like, of course you should go, why not? And मजाक में मैंने फॉर्म भर दिया था, and I forgot about it. And then later that happened, the auditions happened in Mumbai. हम auditions के लिए गए थे. They asked me for the interview, ramp walk हुआ, सब कुछ हुआ. I got selected, and same time पे Mrs. India का भी audition हुआ था. So for Mrs. India, they had reached out to me, like they had reached out to many other participants as well. If you would like to participate, just give your audition and then we'll see how it goes. So क्योंकि मैंने already Mrs. World International का audition दिया हुआ था, so I knew the gist of it, that how this is going to happen, the questions they might ask, ramp walk video भेजना था and all of that. I sent that, I got selected. So now I had to choose which one should I do. If I should do this, if I should do this. So like I did a little research and all of that. Then of course I thought that let's do Mrs. India first and then we'll think about the rest. ये सब मैंने without thinking मजाक में किया था. I was like, let's do, जो होगा देखा जाएगा. Because after Ryan, I don't know, एक अलग ही जोश आया है जो before pregnancy नहीं था, बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. And when I actually told after my selection, मैंने घर वालों को बोला, I told my in-laws. Trust me guys, my in-laws were more happy than my parents. Like they were like, oh my god, this is so big, you should go, and you know you're going to make all of us so proud. मेरे में बस वो एक ही था that you know when I will have to go to Jaipur for the finale. I don't know how it is going to happen, but you know उन्होंने बोला तू जा, हम सब देख लेंगे. And it is literally, I'm going to tell you, my journey wouldn't have been possible if it wasn't for my parents and my in-laws and Rohan, of course. Till Mrs. India, we did not have a nanny. It was just the family, me, Rohan, we were taking care of Ryan. वो assurance मेरे पास था कि okay, Ryan is going to be fine even if I go there, and he's going to be in safe hands, which is why I could do all of this. But I'm just going to tell you one thing, whether you win the pageant or you don't win the pageant, the experience that you get for those 7 to 10 days, it's incredible, because you get to meet different women from different states, different cities. You get to exchange those thoughts, and जो positivity जो तुम जो grab करते हो ना, that is an experience in itself. Like imagine शादी के बाद it's so difficult to make friends because you don't know where you will meet such people now, and through these pageants you make such amazing friends that you don't even realize. It is an experience. I mean, if anybody is really really interested in doing this, I would really suggest कि don't think about तुम जीतोगे या नहीं जीतोगे, just go there for the experience and of course be prepared. I think it's an experience every woman should at least feel once. I can tell you before the pageant my confidence was here, but I can tell you just being on that stage, talking on that stage, my confidence has gone up here. And yeah, that was my experience and this is what I wanted to share with you. अभी जितना मैंने, I think I must have repeated many things or whatever, but because I am just जो मेरे मन में आया मैंने दिल से बोला है. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have liked today's video, please do like, share and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.